guys see those birds flying in groups? You know the English saying that birds of the same feather flock together? Well, there's some truth in that statement. And what I want to say is that negative people love to hang out with other negative people. Let me zoom out. That's the Hague, that's the Hague campus of Leiden University. But I won't go in now. To continue with the birds, just like birds of the same feather love to flock together, negative-minded people also desired to hang out together. So just keep that in mind. If you have one negative individual in some social setting, be aware that there are more negative people around, or evil may spread itself and more people will become negative. So the best thing is to remove negative people from your life, because before you know it, your whole life is one big pity party. Okay, I'm going into the Hague now. I am in the Hague, but going into the city center, and there are the birds again. Hold on. There's nothing wrong with birds with the same feather flocking together, and there's nothing wrong with people with the same mindset, gathering together. Thing is, which mindset do those people have? Which mindset reigns in the group? If the mindset is anti-Christ, just leave.